Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. The perfect Galaxy phone, the Galaxy S9 Plus, has been announced, but it's not getting as attention as the Galaxy S8 got. Because let's get realistic, it's not much different from the Galaxy S8. So there's clearly no point in upgrading from Galaxy S8 to Galaxy S9. That's why Galaxy S9 has recorded 30 to 40% less sales than Galaxy S8. The same could be said for the Galaxy Note 9. Because when we heard that it won't have an in-display fingerprint scanner, we thought that the Note 9 will suffer the same low sales issue as the Galaxy S9. But thankfully looks like there is some hope still left. A source from Korea Herald told, and I quote, Samsung Displays has prepared 3 or 4 solutions for Samsung Electronics to embed the fingerprint scanner inside of the main display, and both are seriously considering one of the solutions. And one of the solutions has rumored to be worked as per Samsung's high expectations for the in-display fingerprint scanner. Samsung has to do the in-display fingerprint scanner with the Note 9 because without that it won't be anything worth upgrading from the Note 8. And you can even say that without an in-display fingerprint scanner, the Note 9 will be a Galaxy S9 Plus with just a pen. Right now we are 5 months away from the Note 9 announcement, and it is coming 2 weeks earlier as Samsung started the firmware development for the Note 9 2 weeks earlier than usual. The same thing they did with the S9, and the result was a very early launch. Samsung usually finishes its upcoming phone designs 5 months before the launch, but this time it is still not finished because they are trying their best to put the fingerprint scanner inside that display. Because it's becoming a joke for Samsung. Every time we think that the next flagship from Samsung will feature the in-display fingerprint scanner, but when we get closer to the launch, we are granted with the news that, hey bro, yeah, it's not gonna happen. But this time fingers crossed for the in-display fingerprint scanner on the Note 9, but you should definitely take this with a pinch of salt because the man Ming-Chi Kuo, who declined the existence of in-display fingerprint scanner on the Note 9, also has a great track record of correct predictions. So yeah guys, let me know what you think about this. I will definitely make sure to cover everything about the Galaxy Note 9, so make sure to subscribe for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.